Hello everyone. This video uses these parts to make a generator. You only need to prepare some hoses and screws, and then install these hoses on the screws. You need to install a hose on this pile of screwdrivers. After the installation, we need to wrap copper wire around the hose. Before wrapping the copper wire, you need to use a lighter to shrink the hoses. With so many parts prepared today, we need to make a fan motor like cash. Install these hoses on the screws to experience the weight. You can also use other things to replace it, such as wrapping some black tape on the screws. After shrinking the hoses on the screws, we need to prepare a copper wire and fix the head of the copper wire first. After fixing it, wrap the other side around the screw. Each screw needs to be wrapped 200 times. The more warps the coil is wrapped, the higher the voltage it will emit. So it's best for everyone to do it on each wrap, 200 turns of copper wire around each screw. And the copper wire must be prepared after the smoke treatment. There's a layer of glue on the outside of our copper wire, which is the smoke body. After wrapping this screw, don't break the copper wire and continue to wrap the second screw. After wrapping the second screw, continue to wrap the third one. After wrapping the third one, it's the fourth one. Finish wrapping all the screws. Here are 16 screws prepared. All 16 screws need to be wrapped with copper wire. After wrapping, we also need to prepare some magnets. First, take 2 large magnets and fix the 2 large magnets in the middle of the screws. These screws placed next to the magnets will be attracted by the magnets. We just need to put the screws in place. After placing them, we need to apply some solar glue on the gap between the screws and the magnets. Use the solar glue to fix the magnet and the screws. The fixed magnet is clamped in front of the wire to give it the effect of the magnetic field. After that, we also need to give it in the middle of the magnet. He applied some heat and glue to fix the magnet on the wooden board. After it was fixed, he needed to process the circuit. Arrange the head and tail of the wire in front of the wire, and then use a lighter to burn it. The purpose of using a lighter to burn it is to burn off the connection between the head and tail of the copper wire, because the head and tail of the copper wire need to be conductive. A power strip is prepared here, and the 2 circuits on the power strip need to be connected to this wire. After fixing 2 hoses on the wire, you can start connecting. You just need to connect the power strip and the wire in front of the wire together, and then seal the interface with a hose. Everyone must remember to scrape the conductive areas with a knife or burn them with fire. After the wires on the power strip are connected, we will fix the power strip on the wooden board and use daily glue to fix it. Then we need to prepare a 12-volt motor and fix a magnet on the motor. Fix a magnet on the motor model and use this motor to drive the magnet to rotate. After the magnet is fixed, we also need to apply some smart glue on the line. After applying the smart glue, we need to fix a small wooden board to it. This small wooden board is used as a bracket for the elevator. After fixing it, we need to apply some hot glue on the small wooden board and then fix the motor. Be sure to align the magnet on the motor with our coil before fixing it. Then, pick up this set of equipment for everyone to see. There is no problem with our equipment. Next, you only need to pass 12 volts of electricity to the small motor to drive the magnet to rotate. After the magnet rotates, it can emit 220 volts of alternating current. Here is a string of light bulbs for everyone to test. The voltage of this string of light bulbs is 220 volts. You can see that this string of light bulbs can be directly brought up. If you like it, you can collect and forward it. This is the end of this video. See you next time.